Easy ways to earn with AI without knowledge of coding. Develop and sell AI-powered software or apps, such as image recognition or natural language processing tools. Offer AI consulting services to businesses looking to integrate AI into their operations. Create and sell AI-generated content, such as music or art. Use AI for stock trading or other financial applications. Develop and sell chatbots for customer service or e-commerce. Create AI-powered virtual assistants for personal or business use. Offer data labeling services for companies training their own AI models. Develop and sell AI-powered cybersecurity tools. Use AI for real estate analysis and investment. Thanks for watching our video. We're glad you found the information and content valuable, and we hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. We'd love to hear in comments section below.